Today we'll discuss about the that is the Council of Higher Education 2020 annual mathematics short questions. Now short questions given if f of x is equal to sin x plus 2 in the interval minus pi by 2 से pi by 2 का अंदर है मतलब we know that sin x value always exist sin x value always exists -1 से 1 के अंदर same thing if when x is in between minus pi by 2 से pi by 2 और x is any real number when x is any real number if x is any real number the value comes -1 to 1 के अंदर here the x is given here x is belongs to minus pi by 2 से pi by 2 के अंदर that means the value in between the sin x value comes to what that is -1 से and 1 के अंदर वो आएगा so this is the so fx value that is equal to sin x plus 2 in between 1 plus 2 this is in between that is -1 plus 2 comes that is 1 less than equal to fx is less than 3 इसके अंदर वो रहेगा so that's why the greatest value वो जाए के दैट इज 3 तक जाएगा उसके बाद नहीं जा पाएगा इसका मतलब है ग्रेटेस्ट जो है मैक्सिमम वैल्यू वही है सेम चीज है तो दैट्स व्हाई तो ग्रेटेस्ट वैल्यू और मैक्सिमम वैल्यू विल कम दैट इज 3 3 से कम सब आएगा 3 से ज्यादा नहीं हो पाएगा जब डायरेक्ट हम बोल पाएंगे ये क्लोज इंटरवल होगा तो डायरेक्टली दिस इज इक्वल टू कम्स ओके दिस इज फर्स्ट बीट then comes to the second bit what is the here answer what will come answer here we know that minus a to a fx is dx is equal to 0 if f of okay x is the odd function that means f of minus x is equal to minus fx then it equal to 0 here f of x is equal to this that is equal to cos x ln 1 plus x by 1 minus x that is equal to f of minus x is equal to cos of minus x into ln 1 minus x by 1 plus x that's why the value comes this is positive cos x that is ln 1 minus x by 1 plus x it comes to that is minus cos x then ln 1 plus x by 1 minus x that is the power extent that is numerator denominator हो जाएगा तो माइनस पीछे से आ जाएगा so that's why this is equal to minus fx so fx is the odd function so that's why minus half of half cos x ln 1 plus x by 1 minus x dx is equal to 0 that means k ln 2 so k is equal to 0 so k is equal to 0 this is second bit next third bit what we'll do the third bit what is given write the differential equation of all non-horizontal lines in a plane that means here we know that y is equal to mx plus c is the equation of a non-horizontal lines this is a non-horizontal equation this is a non-horizontal lines okay so that's why so you can find the dy by dx is equal to m or also you can say dx by dy is equal to 1 by m Here you can say dy by dx square is equal to 0. Here you can say d square x by dy square equal to also 0. Because here not given with respect to what? With respect to x-axis or with respect to y-axis. That is not given. So that's why you have to find out the first derivative, then dy by dx is equal to n. So that after that, d square y by d square equal to 0. This is, or dx by dy that is equal to 1 by m. Then d square x by d square is equal to 0. This is the differential equation of the all non-horizontal lines in a plane. Another also here, that is x plus by is equal to c. So same concept will also come. Next, fourth bit. What is the fourth bit? Here a and b are unit vectors. A and b are unit vectors, and a vector minus b vector is also a unit vector. So then write the measure of the angle between A and B. That means here A magnitude is equal to 1 given, and B magnitude is equal to 1 given, and A minus B ka magnitude is equal to 1 because these are the unit vector which is given. These are unit vector which is given. So that's why. Now A minus B का magnitude का square, that you can write A minus B dot into A minus B, that value comes A magnitude का whole square plus B magnitude का whole square minus 2 A dot B. That's why you can say this value is equal to 1 square. This is equal to 1 square plus 1 square minus 2 A magnitude, B magnitude, then cos theta this is. So that's why 1 cot, this come this side, 2, this is also 1, 2, A magnitude, B magnitude, cos theta is equal to 1. So that's why you can say cos theta is equal to, that is 1 by 2, means theta is equal to pi by 3, means 60 degree. Cos ka, okay, cos 60 degree is equal to half. That's why this is the result. Here, fifth bit, what is given? The write the axis to which the plane by plus cz plus d equal to 0. We know that ax plus by plus cz, okay, plus d equal to 0 is the equation of a plane which is passing through the origin. But here, if it is x is here, what? Now x is not there, means x is a is equal to 0. That's why x-axis is equal to 0. So it is a parallel to, that is x-axis. So by plus cz plus d equal is parallel to x-axis. Similarly, okay, this is the answer. Okay, if question asking that is here y in the place of y, that is x is there. That's why that time that y is equal to 0 means it is parallel to y axis. If z is not there, so that is z is parallel on that time. So similar, this type of question will, if you come, you can do. Then write down the partitions of a set ABC. What is the partitions? Means here, suppose this is given. That is equal to that is A given, this is B given, this is C given. A given, B given, C given. You can take also, that is number 1 mein, you can take simple A, B, C at a time you can take, all at a time you can take, that is also a group. और सेकंड में ले सकते हैं कैसे ना, एक लिया A एंड BC को अलग कर दिया, मतलब ऐसे कर दिया, ये भी एक हो गया. ओके, थर्ड में भी ले सकते हैं कैसे, FB एक कर दिया एंड C को अलग कर दिया. ये भी हो सकता है। देन फोर्थ में क्या होगा ना, ए सी को एक कर दिया एंड बी सी को अलग कर दिया, बी को अलग कर दिया, ये भी हो सकता है। सिमिलरली फिफ्थ में इंडिविजुअल ए भी हो सकता है, बी भी हो सकता है, सी भी हो सकता है। इंडिविजुअली वी कैन टेक, दैट मींस ये दैट इज सिंगल, ये दैट इज एक है सिंगलटन, एक है डबल टन, एक डबल टन सिंगल टन, डबल टन सिंगल टन, ये सिंगल 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 कम। So that means here 3 at a time, here 2 at a time, this is 1 at a time. These are the 5 partitions are there. So how many partitions are comes? That is 5 partitions are there. If 4 sets are there, then 15 partitions are there. In this way we can calculate. Partitions means जैसे है देखो, ये ऐसे partition 2 हो गया, किसी के साथ मिला जुला नहीं है, मतलब टोटल मिलके टोटल आएगा और ऑल आर डिसजॉइंट, ये चीज ठीक है। ये डिसजॉइंट होगा, दो सेट, ये एक सेट ये एक सेट डिसजॉइंट होगा, एक दूसरा सब मिलने के एक सेट होगा, टोटल सेट होगा। इसका मतलब है एंड दिस इज एम्प्टी सेट नहीं होगा, एम्प्टी सेट होने से वो नहीं होगा, बट एम्प्टी सेट के छोड़ के सब कुछ हो सकता है। तो दैट इज पार्टीशन। मिल टोटल मिलने से दैट द व्हाट द सेट इज गिवन होगा, और इंडिविजुअल सेट्स आर डिसजॉइंट होगा, that is a partition. We know that domain of cos x, that is equal to real number, and domain of sin inverse x, that is equal to -1 से 1. So domain of that is addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, whatever the composites are there, if two functions are there, then the domain is equal to what? Always comes, that is the intersection. So that's why domain of the function f of x, that is equal to these two functions ka addition. So that's why domain of cos x intersection with domain of sin inverse x, that means real intersection -1 से 1, what the value comes -1 से 1, this is closed interval, the domain, common domain comes. What question given? A is a square matrix of order 3. Write the values of n when 2a is equal to this. The answer comes what? 2a means a के साथ 2 मल्टीप्लिकेशन, a मैट्रिक्स के साथ 2 मल्टीप्लिकेशन मीन्स ईच रो में किया और ईच कॉलम में हमको 2 कॉमन लेना है। दैट्स व्हाई द वैल्यू कम्स 2 टू द पावर 3 इनटू a. व्हाई 2 टू द पावर 3? ना हमको दिया है 3 क्रॉस 3 मैट्रिक्स, सो दैट्स व्हाई you have that is a 3 row or 3 column. You can take that is 2 either in a 3 rows, or you can take common from that is in column. That is, so that's why 2 to the power 3 means each row में 2 आया और each column में 2 common है, so that 2 to the power 3. So that means this is 8a. So n is equal to 8. This is the result. Next question, what is given? What the question given? That question, according to the question answer, we know that it is a probability distribution. The sum of the probability is equal to 1. So that's why k plus k square plus 2k square plus k is equal to 1. That means that is 3k square plus 2k is equal to 1. You can say 3k square minus 1 equal to 0. You can take factorize 3k square minus plus 3k minus k minus 1 equal to 0. That means Ck, that is you taking common k plus 1 minus 1 here, k plus 1 comes equal to 0. That means Ck minus 1 into k plus 1, which is equal to 0. That means you can say 3k is equal to 1 and k is equal to minus 1. Here k is equal to 1 by 3. But k cannot be negative. Why? K is a what probability of the of 0.5. So एक probability value कभी भी negative नहीं होगा. So that's why k is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, k is equal to 1 by 3. Question that is discrete as given below. Find the k value. Question था find k value. Find k value. So what is the k value? That is equal to 1 by 3 is the k value. Okay, that is question given. Write the differential coefficient of tan inverse sin x plus cos x by cos x minus sin x with respect to x. That means जो डिफरेंशियल इक्वेफिशिएंट जो है डेरिवेटिव वही है, सेम चीज. डिफरेंशियल कोएफिशिएंट जो है डेरिवेटिव वही है, दैट इज so that's why let y is equal to okay tan inverse sin x plus cos x by cos x minus sin x given. You have to find out dy by dx what value comes. That value is equal to tan inverse. You can divide, that is the tan x plus that is equal to 1 by either 1 minus tan x comes. So that's why the value comes tan inverse tan of x plus pi by 4. So the value comes x plus pi by 4. So that's why dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x plus pi by 4, which is equal to 1. So this result comes that is equal to 1. This is the short question which is in council, okay, Council of Higher Education CSSC 2020 annual. Similarly, that type of same pattern question will come in, that is the coming supplementary exam. Similar type of question will come. We'll discuss next video. We'll discuss about the second bit onward. That is the first question number 1. That is short type question, and 4-mark question will discuss. Next video we will discuss. Okay. So please, if you are not okay, my channel subscribe till now, please subscribe and support me. More likes and more comments for more update video. Thank you very much.